Let me say something that's going to ruffle some feathers. Most people using peptides have no idea what they are doing. They are throwing random vials in the fridge, hoping one of them turns them into Superman, while ignoring how the human body actually works. If you are just taking Sermorelin alone, you might see some benefits. But if you stack it intelligently with the right hormones, mitochondrial support, and metabolic control, you can literally reprogram how your body ages, recovers, and performs. And this isn't a theory. This is a functional medicine done right. Science, data, and optimization. Today, we are breaking down what Sermorelin actually does, the truth, how it stacks with testosterone, GLP-1s, NAD+, Tesamorelin, and recovery blends. The difference between looking younger and feeling younger. And finally, my ultimate all-in-one stack for full body transformation. Stay till the end because I am giving you the exact stack we use clinically for muscle, fat loss, brain, and recovery all in one. Sermorelin is not growth hormone. It's the message that tells your body to release its own growth hormone. Think of your pituitary gland like a sleeping dragon. Sermorelin walks in and whispers, "Wake up, time to rebuild." Unlike synthetic HGH, Sermorelin works with your body's rhythm, releasing growth hormone in natural pulses, not a constant flood. This means no shutdown, no dependence, no fake highs. Benefit of Sermorelin includes improved sleep quality, especially the deep sleep, faster recovery from workouts, increased lean muscle, fat loss, especially visceral fat, smoother skin, stronger hair and nails, better mood and cognition. You don't feel a rush. You feel like your body is functioning the way it used to be. Now, why stacking beats the solo use of Sermorelin? Here is the secret. Sermorelin is amazing, but it's not magic. It's the spark, not the fuel. If your testosterone level is low, your sleep is trash, or your nutrition sucks, Sermorelin can build muscle from air. That's why we stack, because the human body is a network, not a single switch. When you combine Sermorelin with other synergetic compounds, you don't just lose fat faster, you rebuild at the cellular level. So stack 1, Sermorelin plus testosterone. This is the classic longevity and strength stack. Testosterone provides the anabolic signal, build muscle, increase red blood cell, boost motivation. Sermorelin amplifies recovery, sleep, and growth hormone driven metabolism. So Sermorelin and testosterone together, muscle gain increases 20 to 30% faster. Fat loss accelerates, sleep and recovery improves, libido and drive returns. When testosterone drives the build, Sermorelin supports the repair. That's what makes this combo so effective. You are not forcing the system, you are balancing it. Stack 2, Sermorelin with the microdosing of GLP-1s like semaglutide and tirzepatide. Here is where it gets controversial. GLP-1 meds like semaglutide and tirzepatide are great for fat loss, but they also cause muscle loss and fatigue if you are not careful. Microdosing of GLP-1s keeps appetite in check without crashing metabolism. Add Sermorelin and you restore the recovery and muscle retention GLP-1s can deplete. In plain English, GLP-1 meds trims the fat, Sermorelin rebuilds what you want to keep. Patients on this combination reports more stable energy, fewer plateaus, and zero Ozempic phase. That's the synergy. Metabolic control plus growth and repair. Step 3. Sermorelin with NAD+. Now we go deeper. Cellular NAD+ is the molecule your mitochondria uses to create ATP. It's the difference between awake and alive. As we age, NAD level crashes. Sermorelin increases growth hormone and IGF-1 signaling, while NAD+ increases mitochondrial output. Together, they make every repair system in your body more efficient. You feel it as a sharper focus, faster recovery, better skin, and cleaner energy. This is the longevity powerhouse stack, perfect for people feeling burned out, brain fog, or post-training fatigue. Stack 4. Sermorelin with Tesamorelin. Now we combine two growth hormone secretagogues. Careful. Tesamorelin specially targets visceral fat, the stubborn belly fat around the organs that drives inflammation and insulin resistance. It's approved strictly for belly fat. Whereas Sermorelin boosts overall growth hormone rhythm. Tesamorelin refines where the magic happens. Midsection, fat reduction, muscle protection, improved lipid profile. Clinical data shows Tesamorelin can cut visceral fat by 15 to 20% in 6 months while preserving lean mass. Together, they deliver visible body composition change, not just scale weight. Stack 5. Sermorelin plus recovery blend. The blend includes BPC 157, TB 500 plus glutathione. This one's for my athletes, weekend warrior, and high stress professionals. Sermorelin sets the stage for recovery. BPC 157 and TB 500 accelerates tissue healing, joint repair, and inflammation control. Glutathione supports detox and oxidative balance. This stack improves joint pain, post-workout soreness, gut repair, sleep quality. You literally recover in days instead of weeks. And now, let's talk about the ultimate stack, the one that you've been waiting for. The MyFitMed all-in-one body and brain stack. Sermorelin, growth hormone rhythm and recovery. Tesamorelin, visceral fat reduction. Testosterone, anabolic drive. Microdosing of GLP-1s, appetite control and insulin control. NAD+, mitochondrial energy. And recovery blend with BPC 157, TB 500 and glutathione. Tissue and inflammation support. This is the full spectrum optimization formula. Body composition, recovery, energy, skin, cognition, everything improves together. And when you combine this stack with resistant training, proper sleep and protein intake, you just hack your 40s and 50s like they are your 20s. This isn't about chasing your youth. It's about refusing to settle for normal aging. It's about waking up stronger again, clean energy, excited again, motivated again. So if you're ready to stop guessing, start optimizing and actually feel human again, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment with your biggest health goal and share this video with someone who is tired of feeling tired. Because the future of medicine isn't in the pill, it's in the precision stacking. And this, my friend, is the blueprint. See you in the next video.